All right, ladies and gentlemen. So here we are on activity 10 using Audacity. And you've essentially completed all the work you have been expected to do. And now we're just going to have some fun. Um, what we have is some sound effects that you're going to get to play with. And if we were just to put random noises into a Audacity file, that's just kind of, well, let's just say not very educational. It might be fun, but not as good as all of that. So sorry, activity 9. Haha. Okay. Down here, you will see a link to MP3 sound effects. I've got things like airplanes landing, alien spaceships, applause, laughing, rain, motorcycles, cars, dogs barking, old cars, telephones ringing, all sorts of cool things. And that link there takes you to, that's where you got your background music from, maybe in activity 6 or 7, if I recall, probably 6. I click on sound effects. I'm going to click on one of these, and let's just say here, I'm going to do the audience applause. Click on it. So if I'm going to use that in my script, I'm going to download it, and it'll put it in my download folder. There's a bunch of other ones. Here, I'll start the old car engine one. Kind of a clunky old car. If I want to use that, I could download that as well, right? Now, so that you're not just doing anything random, what I recommend here is that you make a little bit of a script. You could scribble it down on a piece of paper. I did it in a little Google Doc here. You know, I'm doing basically a commercial. You could do some sort of like a contest or something. But this commercial is, imagine you just got home from a long business trip and your plane was late, and I'm going to have the plane sound play. Then your car won't start because your battery is dead, and I'll play that car you just heard. And then you need to get home to let your dog out, and the dog barks. Call 1-800-TAXI now to get a quick pickup for your ride home, and then I'll make the phone ringing noise. So I got to make sure that all of these sounds are downloaded. So if I go to that download folder, hopefully it's there. No, let me see. There it is. Oh, I had it over here in sound effects. All right, so I need my dog barking. Downloaded that. What else did I decide I needed? They had the old car engine. Do I have the phone ringing? There we go. I'll download that. You want to get that? Thank you. Okay. So now that I have those all, and again, I would find these here in my download folder. You know what that is. Here's my downloads. There's the Labrador barking. There's the old car. There's the phone ringing. There's the audience applause. So those are my MP3s I can download into my Audacity file. All right. So first, you know what I'm going to do? Here we go. File. New. Tracks. Add new mono track. And I'm just going to start recording. What I'm going to do is make this about half size. All right. Get rid of this guy here. Where's my activity 9 script? Here we go. Imagine you just got home from a long business trip and your plane was late. Then your car won't start because the battery is dead. You need to get home and let out your dog. What you need to do is call 1-800-TAXI now to get a quick pickup for your ride home. We guarantee you will get picked up in 10 minutes or your ride is free. So call 1-800-TAXI now. That's 1-800-TAXI now. All right. So I come back to here, and that should be most of my thing. I can, let's see, where's my magnifying glass there? I can minimize this a little bit so I can see more of the whole track there. Maybe bigify it a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to add another track underneath it Oops, track, add new, mono track underneath there. And here is where I'm going to import audio. And let's do my dog barking. Okay, gonna make this a little bit smaller here. This is my dog barking, and I don't need all of that. It's a pretty long track of the dog barking. So I'm just gonna keep that first few barks and backspace. And let's see. When I hit play, then your car won't start. Imagine you just got home from a long business trip and your plane was late. Now, certainly I don't want the dog barking at that first part. I need to figure out where in my track it's appropriate for the dog to be barking. You need to get home and let out your dog. So maybe I move that over just a little bit more. You need to get home and let out your dog. What you need to do is call. I think you can get what's going on here. I can do the same thing again. I can go File, Import, Audio. What was the first thing I was going to do? Oh, the airplane, right? Oh, I didn't do the airplane yet. Here's my old car engine, though. I can put that guy in there. All right. And once again, I'm going to probably cut out a good portion of that. Keep it shorter. Edit. Cut. Get rid of that. Come on to this line here. Edit. Paste. And now there's my car engine. I might have to move it over a little bit, all right? Because my car won't start is somewhere back here. Imagine you just got home from a long business trip and your plane was late. Then your car won't start because the battery is dead. So I would probably have to move this over just a little bit more here. Maybe even delete a little bit extra of that because the sound effect is a little long. But if I have it somewhere around here, car won't start because the battery is dead. You need to get home and let out your dog. What you need to do is call 1-800-TAC. You can see it kind of pushed the dog over. So I got to move this back over here to where, and you're going to spend a lot of time fiddling around with these sound effects underneath. Car won't start because the battery is dead. You need to get home and let out your dog. What you need to do is call 1-800-TAXI now to get a quick pickup for your ride home. So I'll stop it right here. Import audio. Phone ringing. There we go. And then highlight it and edit, cut, get rid of this track. I don't need this track anymore, do I? Okay. So I would probably put the phone somewhere over here. Edit. Paste. Taxi now to get a quick pickup for your ride home. We guarantee you will get picked up in 10 minutes or your ride is free. So call 1-800-TAXI now. And I might put it here again too. Put my cursor Taxi here. Now. That's. And then edit, paste. Edit, paste. There we go. So I've got my phone ringing again there. Taxi now. That's 1-800-TAXI now. So it's not perfect, but you get the idea. So audio track, I would say commercial. I would call this sounds. And if I play it from the beginning, imagine you just got home from a long business trip and your plane was late. Then your car won't start because the battery is dead. You need to get home. So that's a little long there. Again, I might do a little bit of editing. Start because you need to get home and let out your dog. What you need to do is might get rid of some of the dogs barking. And this is starting to get a little better. Then your car won't start because the battery is dead. You need to get home and let out your dog. What you need to do is call 1-800-TAXI now to get a quick pickup for your ride home. We guarantee you will get picked up in 10 minutes or your ride is free. So call 1-800-TAXI now. And that's a little in the wrong place, so I might slide this guy over. The only one I didn't do was I didn't get my my airplane. So if I come back here and I get my sound effects, airplane, download that guy, go back into my... By the way, I should probably save this file as, save project as, and I would call this sound effect commercial. There we go. And you can see the names right up there. But I've got one more thing I need to import here. You just got home from a long... Let's put my cursor right about here. You just got home from... File, import, audio, airplane landing. It's going to be huge, so I'm going to cut a fair amount of it. And backspace. And then I'm going to cut it, edit, cut it, kill that line there, paste it there. Now I feel like I haven't done a very good job of doing this smoothly. Imagine you just got home from a long business trip and your plane was late. Then your car won't start because the battery is dead. You can see it pushed all these other sound effects over, so I got to use my time shifter and slide them back. So I'll try one more time from here. Imagine you just got home from a long business trip and your plane was late. Then your car won't start because the battery is dead. You need to get home and let out your dog. What you need to do is call 1-800-TAXI now to get a quick pickup for your ride home. We guarantee you will get picked up in 10 minutes or your ride is free. So call 1-800-TAXI now. That's 1-800-TAXI now. And there's my commercial with some sound effects. This should keep you busy. It doesn't have to be perfect, but have some fun with it. Keep it appropriate. You can make it some sort of a contest or a commercial or an interview with a celebrity if you want. But make sure you fit in at least 3 or 4 of these sound effects. And plan something out. Don't go randomly popping in sound effects and spending all period giggling. It'll drive your teachers crazy. All right? Have fun, but make something that is actually worthwhile for your recording. All right. Good luck.